Hello, I'm Shruti. I'm 17 years old.
Hello, I'm Bhumika and I'm 17 too.
Our question for today is, how would soap bubbles look like in space? Soap bubbles are formed due to surface tension.
Surface tension is a property of the surface of every liquid. It is caused due to the cohesive forces that are forces of attraction between the molecules of the liquid. Each individual molecule experiences force of attraction from the neighboring liquids in all directions, resulting in a net force of zero.
However, this is not true for the surface, as there are no molecules to pull it upward in order to counteract the downward pull caused by the molecules under it. Therefore, they are pulled inwards. This inward pull causes surface tension and forces the molecules to take up minimal area. Therefore, the surface takes up spherical shape as the sphere has the least surface area and hence least surface tension. B is equal to rho Vg. But what would happen to soap bubbles in space? Let's take a bottle of soap water on a space station to outer space and blow out some soap bubbles from it. The change in the soap bubbles are noticed.
Due to microgravity, the buoyant force will be reduced. On Earth, the center of gravity of the sphere is at its center, which acts inwards to reduce the size of the sphere. In space, the center of gravity is absent, hence the sphere is of larger size. The density of the surrounding air is also negligible, due to which the bubble will not remain in one place for a long time and will take a comparatively longer time to burst. The surface tension is greatly reduced in microgravity, as a result of which the surface will be larger in size.
Result: the bubble will be larger in size.
They will not remain in one place for too long
and will take a longer time to burst.